entire
Sorry,
group.
sir.
The best part of the entire planning process was that none of all the 6 guys never met at one place. It was always on phone or on Google or Orkut. We have formed a group which is called Junoon.
You're from Junoon, so are you guys also in Orkut?
Yeah, we are on Orkut.
We have formed a
Fantastic.
community for us.
The Junoon is in Orkut.
6 of us. Yes.
Okay, fine.
And the group, when all of us posted scraps and whatever information we used to get from reading, that was on the common forum, and everybody used to read it, post their views, and the entire process actually went like this. We booked tickets, and later on the last day only, on 30th of November, we all met in Lashmi for the same train that we are traveling back. On 30th of November, we met, and our journey started towards Singapore. So the train journey was, we thought it was all fun. In the beginning process, we were discussing the entire how we are going to plan. Actually, the entire logic was that we will with all our kit, and we bought knives and axe.
There were many things like we have to arrange. I have been going outside, so I had not walkie-talkies, tents, and like most modern things what we could have got for camping. I have been enthusiastic about adventure since a long time. So I had lots of equipment at my home. So this
What
helped
do you do, by the way?
I'm in merchant navy, third engineer.
And what's your name?
Amit Chandra.
Okay.
Just to add one of the most interesting ingredient of our kit was the survival kit. That included what are you saying, tablets, medicines, including pocket knives and all these things. And rather, all of us were basically reading about what is to be done in this situation. If we had caught any tiger or whatever. Though it was hypothetical. Living in the jungle, this is what we have done. Living in the jungle inside. What could go wrong and what could happen. Just the anticipation, we prepared a list. Which again was basically not a professional list. This was from inputs from various areas.
I am also a member in Orkut.
Okay.
I also surf Orkut.
Okay.
But at this time I'm sure going to look for Junoon. And if you are a community, I'm going to join your community.
Great.
You'll actually see that this is actually our forum where whatever we guys do individually, because it shouldn't remain with us only, one individual. We post it there. So what information if I get, all 6 have the information what I basically have found out, what I have researched.
And I promise you one thing, whatever I'm shooting now, this will be put up in YouTube,
Okay,
and I will be putting this up in Orkut also.
right. Really appreciate it.
So this will be again one of your property as well. Now tell me the story. This will be a Junoon property. So whatever, so this is one kind of assurance that you get from me that whatever I am doing now will be a Junoon property. Okay?
You're a
Does that-
now too.
Now, have I justified myself? Fine. Tell me.
So the basic idea of preparing so much was the plan that, like in Kasara, we were going to stay here for 3 complete days inside the forest, not knowing where we are, finding our way out. And the basic idea was that. There were a lot of preparation that went in. Then there were these sweaters that we all bought. All of 6 guys have got the same sweater, so that we can get the camouflage effect inside the jungle. And people will be everything will be similar. So there will be that sort of discipline also. And with this all modern equipment like tents, walkie-talkies, knives, flares, and a lot of things, whatever we could think, were all collected and were part of our very modern, very good axe.
There was a very good trick what we learned from movies and Discovery Channel.
Yes,
We use axe or any deo spray and we use lighter to make a big flame.
big flame.
Can you show me that? Can you show me that Google photograph once again? The Earth, the Google Earth. I'm sorry. I'm putting you up into a lot of trouble. It seems. Because this is some kind of thing which I believe those people in West Bengal tourism does not have. Am I right? I said this kind of map or this kind of thing West Bengal tourism does not have.
No, they don't have the kind
It
of
took us a lot of effort to make it.
actually the entire
They in
idea
fact
of,
requested us to
Yeah.
give them the map, but we refused because we had put in a lot of effort to collate it.
Can you lay it out for me for this camera, please?
actually the entire idea
Here is the
was
Sanjay Kali Resort,
This is the resort here.
and these are the two main islands. The rest area is Sundarban, and here is the Bangladesh border.
This is the border. The yellow stripe.
Wow, you did a fantastic job, I must say.
basically a small part of the entire Sundarbans. And the idea was actually to have a GPS device.
Yeah.
And
Like
actually,
we had a lot of idea. Like we have been on camps before, so we had a lot of idea about using magnetic compass. That's what we thought before.
actually going
Yeah.
through the information that we got from net, what kind of aid we'll have to face. The former site that we had, that we'll face a very, very dense and huge jungle, and we might lose our way out. So that's why we were planning to buy a handheld GPS. For that we made a huge study, but unfortunately we couldn't get that because
And there was one more reason, like the area was 400 square kilometers. And then we thought that since we are planning for one island only, that would be 20 kilometer by 20 kilometers. We thought like we would be very much able to, I mean, like navigate among that area, 20 kilometer by 20 kilometers.
When we reached over there, we both, as we are always on adventurous trip, first thing I told him that we forgot to bring our raft.
Oh, really?
Yeah, we
Yeah.
do. He has
I
got a
have got
raft
an
from
inflatable
the US. So I first thing told him that this is the biggest mistake which we have made here by not bringing our raft, because the way which we have to go inside Sundarban, it has 5 to 6 islands, which become one complete sanctuary, or else we can say a forest area. So to get in the core area, the best thing by which we can travel is the raft. So I said that instead of using such a big ferry, we could have bought our raft and we could have traveled through the core areas through our raft. Because this ferry, what does it do is, when we reach close to the forest, the animals by fear they run off from the shore. So the raft is, we can move anywhere we want, so that we can reach exactly to the shore and get a close look on the animals. So this was the biggest mistake I told him that we had made this time. So we make sure that I told him that next time when we come over here, we'll make 100% sure that we bring our raft in Sundarban so that we can go in the core area. And
What
we like.
one problem about it was like it's an inflatable raft. There are many chances that it can be blown through by crocodile. Yeah, it can be punctured. It could have been a big crocodile. That's why we did not bring it.
But the crocodile which we saw here in Sundarban, they are not longer than 2 or 3 feet. We saw 3 of them.
No, I believe whatever you have seen in those small crocodiles,
Yeah.
those are crocodile breeding centers.
Okay.
The crocodiles in Sundarbans are very big, and they are man-eaters as well.
We couldn't
That's
spot
why-
them. We couldn't spot the bigger ones.
we actually saw the younger ones.
The only one we spotted in Sanjay Kali pool, crocodile.
In the breeding.
Now tell me about the tiger experience.
Okay, the 16 minutes.
Yeah, the 16 minutes.
To be very honest,
Before we go to the 16 minutes, I'll take a little break.
Oh, definitely.